Hello. I replaced my Moen 1222 cartridge in shower and now water only comes out in a trickle. Cannot get water to come out at normal pressure. Any suggestions would be appreciated. Thanks.
How long has this been going on? And how severe is the problem?
Just started when replaced cartridge. Just now.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I am.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just replaced shower cartridge, old one just broke. Bought replacement cartridge Moen 1222 installed, following package directions and now water only trickles out.
Welcome to Just Answer, my name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Remove the cartridge, then turn the water back on. Any flow?
Full pressure.
Then if there is no debris in the valve body, not likely if you just flushed it out, and you still have just a trickle when you put it back, according to the directions, then you have a defective cartridge. One other possibility is a clogged aerator at the end of the spout.
When I replaced cartridge after checking pressure, it is working now. Thanks for help. Problem is resolved.
You're welcome. Probably some debris in the faucet body. I'd appreciate a favorable rating.
Will do. Thanks.
My pleasure.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.